When you're up against the wall and your mountain seems so tall, and you realized life's not always fair, you can run away and hide, let the old man decide, or you can change your circumstances with a prayer. When everything falls apart, praise His name. When you have a broken heart, just raise your hands and say, and Lord, you're all I need. You're everything to me, and He'll take the pain away. And when it seems you're all alone, praise His name. When you feel you can't go on, just raise your hands and say, greater is He that is within me. You can praise the hurt away. If you just praise His name, oh, you can overcome by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of your testimony. You'll see the darkness go as your faith begins to grow, and you're not alone. So how can you be lonely? And everything falls apart, praise His name. When you have a broken heart, just raise your hands and say, and Lord, you're all I need. You're everything to me, and He'll take the pain away. And when it seems you're all alone, praise His name. When you feel you can't go on, just raise your hands and say, greater is He, and that is within me. You can praise the hurt away. Greater is He that is within me. You can praise the hurt away. If you just praise His name.